Welcome back, folks. So today we're going to take a look here at this 1020 pieces 20 size O-ring kit. And so you've got a ton of different sizes in here with plenty of extra pieces to pretty much cover any bases. And so these are always good to have around for different situations, perhaps like pressure washers and sinks and different things like that, and maybe a little different mechanical odds and ends and different bits and stuff. So whenever an O-ring does break, you've got some extras laying around. And so with this inside here, pretty good coverage here. Tons of little O-rings for different situations, and then some larger sizes, and then you have all the way up to about this size right here. So for instance, one of the things I run into oftentimes is with foam cannons. And with foam cannons, oftentimes the weakness is this back part here that screws in where the water goes in, and then it gradually just wears out over time and conks out. And so pretty much I took the old seal right here, the old O-ring, and just got into the kit here and started digging around to find pretty much the size that was closest to it to fit it, so that way I could get this screwed back in and keep it nice and tight so it's not leaking everywhere. So anyways, folks, good pretty much coverage with this kit here with all kinds of different O-rings to kind of help you out in different situations. So anyways, definitely check these out. The quality is real nice. I've tried them out on, for instance, some of the pressure washer stuff, and also some garden hoses and all that, and they work really good. Anyways, folks, these are a nice handy kit to have around to fix things, because a lot of times it's one of those deals where something little breaks, and it's always better to have it on hand than to have to track it down and make a special trip or whatever to get it. So I like to have little accessory kits like this around to make those field expedient repairs for myself. Anyways, definitely check these out. This is from this company called XBVV. They sent me this kit for evaluation. Really appreciate it. Thanks to them for sending that out to me. And of course, my opinions are always my own. Y'all have a good day.